You made me you made me First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, oh, the way that things have been. Oh, now second things second, don't you tell me what you think that I should be. I'm the one to say I'm the master of my CEO. I'm the master of my CEO. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few. Look at me, took on me, shook on me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the veins, seeing the beauty through the. You made me a believer, believer. You break me down, you build me a believer, believer. I was choking in the crowd, building my brain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground. Hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did. Never flowing, inhibited, limited till it broke open and rained down. It rained down like. You made me a believer, believer. You break me down, you build me a believer, believer. By the grace of the fire and the flames, you're the face, the future, the blood in my veins. Oh, you're the blood in my veins. Oh, but they never did. Ever lived up and flowing, inhibited, limited till it broke open and rained down. It rained down like. You made me a believer, believer. You break me down, you build me a believer, believer. Pain, let the bullets fly, oh let them rain. My life, my love, my drive, it came from. You made me a believer, believer. First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, oh, the way that things have been. Oh, now second things second, don't you tell me what you think that I should be. I'm the one to say I'm the master of my CEO. I'm the master of my CEO. I was broken from a young age, taking my soul into the masses, writing my poems for the few. Look at me, took on me, shook on me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking